8 different color options. The sounds include 7 kinds of noise, from white to brown and pink noise, 7 different fan sounds, and 17 relaxing natural sounds. There are 8 color options with a 0 to 100 dimmable nightlight and 3 modes, which include color stay, color changing, or breathing. It's very easy to use, and you can pick and choose any color and sound combination you need. You can also just have the light on, just the sound, or both light and sound. Your last settings will be saved. The nightlight option provides a perfect soothing glow to sleep or to help you see your way in your room at night. And the sound machine is perfect to drown out disruptive sounds at night like snoring or outside traffic, or it can even be great during the day to help provide a relaxing and peaceful sound while working. This machine also includes a headphone jack, which allows for personal use in public. There's no app needed for it. This is a great option for a sound machine with nightlight.